Hi everyone, I love eating chicken, especially kienyeji chicken. So today I'm going to be showing you a very easy kienyeji chicken recipe that you're going to love. This is a full 1.5 kienyeji chicken and I'm going to be making a recipe that is full of flavor and incredibly mouth-watering. To my pot, I'm going to be adding in my chicken over high flame. Add enough water to submerge the chicken. To enjoy a tender kienyeji chicken, you should boil your chicken. So I'm going to boil mine for around 2 hours until the meat is soft. The piece of ginger that I've added is going to eliminate any chicken smell. If you don't like that smell, just add ginger and you'll see the magic. So I've let the chicken fry a little bit in its own oil. Just look at this. I can eat this right away. So I'm going to transfer my chicken to a bowl. My chicken was quite fatty. I'm going to save some of the chicken oil. To my pot, I'm going to be adding in 1 large white onion. As my onion is cooking, I'm going to be adding in some crushed garlic and ginger. Cook until the garlic and ginger is fragrant. Next, I'm going to add in some spices. So I'm going to add in some turmeric, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and 1 chicken stock cube. Mix and let the spices cook together with the onions. The spices are going to intensify the flavors to my chicken. Next, I'm going to add in 3 large tomatoes. Stir in and let the tomatoes cook until mushy. This is how my tomatoes are looking. I'm going to add in some coriander stems. Don't throw away your coriander stems. Mix in the coriander stems. Add back my chicken. Stir in the chicken and let all the good flavors and aromas coat the chicken. My chicken at this point looks very delicious, so I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. The lemon is going to add a very nice flavor, so I'm going to add in some water. Stir in the chicken and let the chicken simmer for around 10 minutes on medium-low flame. This is how my chicken is looking. Notice the very nice color on my chicken, and I definitely know this is going to be very delicious. So I'm going to add in some capsicum. Stir in and let the capsicum cook for around 1 minute. The aroma in this kitchen is just amazing. So I'm going to add in some coriander leaves. Stir in, and then I'm going to switch off the gas and serve. My kienyeji chicken is ready and it's looking very delicious. So I hope you are going to try out this recipe, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section what you think about my kienyeji chicken. Catch you on my next episode.